The Toyota Sequoia has always been a full-size, three-row SUV based on the platform of the Tundra pickup truck. That doesn't change with the new generation arriving for the 2023 model year. The rest does. The new model is far more modern than the outdated second-generation Sequoia it replaces, which has been around for more than a decade. The new Sequoia comes standard with the Tundra's iForce MAX hybrid powertrain, which combines a 3.4-liter V6 engine with an electric motor for a total of 437 horsepower. Inside, it offers a large touchscreen with the latest software, along with a spacious cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers. This should make the Sequoia more competitive with rivals such as the Chevy Tahoe and Ford Expedition. The Sequoia's large and spacious interior continues in this new generation, with a third row of seats as standard equipment. A second row bench setup with 8 passenger capacity is standard, with optional second row captain's chairs reducing the number of seats to 7. With a wide range of trim levels available, the interior trimmings run the gamut from cloth to leather upholstery and varying levels of wood and chrome trim as you walk up the price ladder. Higher trim levels offer features including heated and cooled second row seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium stereo system. The EPA hasn't yet released fuel economy numbers for the Sequoia, nor for its Tundra hybrid pickup sibling. But we don't think the Sequoia hybrid will offer a huge fuel efficiency boost over the Tundra's non-hybrid powertrain, which is rated at up to 20 mpg combined. When we get our hands on the Sequoia, we'll run it on our real-world 75 mph highway fuel economy test. The Sequoia comes standard with the iForce MAX hybrid powertrain that's optional in the Tundra pickup. This powertrain is comprised of a twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 engine and an electric motor that produce a total of 437 HP and 583 pound-feet of torque. The Tundra's 10-speed automatic transmission carries over to the Sequoia SUV as well. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with 4-wheel drive optional on most versions, and standard on the off-road-oriented TRD Pro model. The TRD Pro also comes with off-road equipment such as upgraded shocks, a front skid plate, a locking rear differential, and different 18-inch wheels. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.